morning children. Today we are going to do very important 5-mark problems under consumer surplus and producer surplus. Exercise 3.3 question number 9. Under perfect competition, PD and PS, price demanded, price supplied are given. Find consumer surplus and producer surplus. How to do it? The word perfect competition says PD equal to PS. 8 by x plus 1 minus 2 equals x plus 3 by 2. Take LCM, simplify, find out what is x. So this is 8 minus 2x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 equals to x plus 3 by 2. Cross multiplying, 16 minus 4x minus 4 equals x into x into 3, 1 into x, 1 into 3. So bringing everything to the same side, x square plus 3x plus x, 4x plus 3 minus 16 plus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. That is x square plus 8x minus 9 equals to 0. Solving for this minus 9, we need 8. So we get plus 9 and minus 1. X plus 9 into x minus 1 equals 0. X is equal to minus 9 comma 1. As we are doing quantity, price, supply, demand, x cannot be negative. So x not equal to 1 is valid. So out of the two values, choose the positive one. Put x naught in PS or PD, whichever is easy for you, to get P naught. So P naught equal to x plus 3 by 2, that is 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 2. Having got x naught and P naught, we need to find consumer surplus. The formula is integral 0 to x naught f of x dx minus x naught P naught. CS is equal to integral 0 to x naught is 1. F of x for CS will be demand. So it is 8 by x plus 1 minus 2 dx minus 1 into 2. CS equal to 8. 1 by x will become log x. So this is log x plus 1 minus 2 will become 2x. Between the limits 0 to 1 minus 2. Simplify the answer. 8 log upper limit 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 1, 2. This is upper limit minus 8 log x is 0. 0 plus 1 minus 2 into 0, 0. So upper limit minus lower limit, and there is a minus 2 also. CS equals 8 log 2 minus 2. Log 1 will become 0. This is also 0. Only minus 2 left out. So what is CS answer? CS is equal to 8 log 2 minus 4. We'll find out what is PS. The formula is x naught P naught minus integral 0 to x naught g of x dx. X naught 1 P naught 2 minus integral 0 to 1 g of x is PS value x plus 3 by 2 dx. PS is equal to 2 by 2 I can bring out. X will become x square by 2. 3 will become 3x between the limits 0 to 1. PS equals 2 minus 1 by 2. X value is 1. So 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1. Lower limit will give me only 0. So PS is equal to 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Take LCM 4. It is 8 minus 1 minus 6. That is 1 by 4 units. So consumer surplus 8 log 2 minus 4 units and producer surplus is 1 by 4 units. Question number 10. Given demand X equals root of 100 minus P and supply X is equal to P by 2 minus 10. Find CS and PS under market equilibrium. So whether it is a perfect competition or at equilibrium, we say PD equal to PS. Now before proceeding into this, find out what is P from each separately. So first equation, X is equal to 100 minus P. Squaring on both the sides, X square equals 100 minus P, or P is equal to 100 minus X square. The same idea. Here X is equal to P by 2 minus 10. X plus 10 equal to P by 2. P is equal to 2X plus 20. So I know what is PD and PS. Equating both. 100 minus X square equals 2X plus 20. Bringing to the same side, 100 minus X square minus 2X minus 20 is 0. Or minus X square minus 2X plus 80 equal to 0. Changing the symbol throughout, X square plus 2X minus 80 is 0. So minus 80 and I want 2. The two numbers are 10 into 8. Plus 2 means this is plus and this is minus. X plus 10, X minus 8 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 10 comma 8. So we say positive is valid. X not equal to 8 is valid. Now substitute X naught value in first equation or second equation. Second is easy. P equal to 2X plus 20. P naught equal to 2 into 8 plus 20. Or P naught equal to 16 plus 20. Or P naught equal to 36. So we have found what is X naught and what is P naught. Let us find out consumer surplus. The formula is 0 to X naught, integral 0 to X naught, f of x dx minus X naught P naught. Remember, for consumer surplus, put demand value. So P is 100 minus X square dx minus, here X naught value is 8. 8. P naught value is 36. 100 will become 100x. X square will become x cube by 3. Between the limit 0 to 8 minus 8 into 36. Put upper limit minus lower limit. 100 into 8 minus 8 cube by 3. The lower limit gives us 0 minus 288. Use calculator, simplify the answer. We get CS 1024 by 3 units. We proceed on to producer surplus. The formula is X naught P naught minus integral 0 to X naught G of X dx. PS is equal to X naught P naught. X naught value 8, P naught value 36 minus integral 0 to 8. G of X is 2X plus 20 dx. Simplifying the answer, 8 into 36 minus 2. X will become X square by 2. 20 will become 20x. between the limits 0 to 8. It is 288 minus 2 and 2 we can cancel. Upper limit 8 square plus 20 into 8. Lower limit 0. That is 288 minus 64 minus 116. So PS is equal to PS is 64 units. Question number 11. PD is 25 minus 3x. PS is 5 plus 2x. Find CS and PS. So we say PD equal to PS. 25 minus 3x is equal to 5 plus 2x. Minus 3x minus 2x is equal to 5 minus 25. Minus 5x is minus 20. X is equal to minus 20 by minus 5, that is 4. So we say x naught equal to 4. Putting it in this or this, I think second one is easy. So P naught equal to 5 plus 2x, or it is 5 plus 2 into 4, that is 5 plus 8, 13. So PS value we have substituted and we get P naught equal to 13. Once we arrive at x naught and P naught, let us proceed with CS. CS formula, integral 0 to x naught f of x dx minus x naught P naught. CS equal to integral 0 to 4 f of x is PD. 25 minus 3x dx minus 4 into 13, or I get 25 will become 25x, 3x will become x square by 2, between the limits 0 to 4, 4 into 13, 52. CS equals, put upper limit 25 into 4 minus 3 by 2 into 4 square. The lower limit gives me 0 minus 52, or CS is 100 minus 24 minus 52. CS is equal to 100 minus 76, that is 24 units. Once we have done CS, we can proceed on to PS. PS is equal to the formula in x naught P naught minus integral 0 to x naught g of x dx. That is PS is equal to x naught value 4, P naught value 13. Integral 0 to 4 g of x is 5 plus 2x dx. That is 52 minus 5 will become 5x, 2 x will become x square by 2, between the limits 0 to 4. PS equal to 52 minus, put upper limit 5 into 4, plus 2 cancels, 4 square. The lower limit gives me 0. Simplifying this answer, 52 minus 20 minus 16, that is PS is equal to 16 units. So we are able to achieve CS and PS given PD and PS. Eighth question. PD and PS are given. Under perfect competition, we need to find PS. So under perfect competition, we say PD equal to PS. PD is 1600 minus x square. PS is 2x square plus 400. Bringing x square to same side. Minus 3x square equal to minus 1200, or x square is 400, x is equal to plus or minus 20. But we want only positive value, so take x naught equal to 20, which is valid. Once I know what is x naught value, Put it in PD or PS and find what is P naught. 1600 minus x square is 20 square. So 1600 minus 400. So P naught I can write 1200. Once I know P naught and X naught, my question is to find PS. Producer surplus is X naught P naught minus integral 0 to X naught g of x dx. Let us remember, for consumer surplus I apply demand, for producer surplus I apply supply function. So X naught value 20, P naught value 1200 minus 0 to 20, we integrate PS 2x square plus 400 dx. Simplifying this, 24,000 minus 2. X square will become x cube by 3. 400 will become 400x between the limits 0 to 20. It is 24,000 minus 2 by 3. X cube is 20 cube plus 400 into 20. X value 0. So it is 0. Simplifying using calculator or by taking LCM, find out the answer. 24,000 minus 16,000 by 3 minus 8,000. Taking LCM, it is 16,000 into 2. That is 32,000 by 3 units. So we have found out what is PS using the formula.